Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar Channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you a favorite recipe. I'm going to make you a weight loss drink today. You know what, Pen? I'm not even going to be using this one. Yeah? I'm going to be using the Ninja blender. Alright guys? So, I'm going to make you a weight loss drink. Alright? I'm going to be using the bad boy. Alright? So first of all, I must say, let's put this right here. Alright? We're going to get a healthy, this is my Ninja smoothie pan right here. All I'm going to do is get some fresh cucumber. Alright? 95% of the cucumber is water. Don't forget that, my guys, my friends, everyone. Cut it up very small. I'm gonna put them straight inside of the Ninja blender like this. And the Ninja blender is very, very good to work with. Alright. Once you do that, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of celery. I'm gonna put it straight inside of the Ninja blender like this and like this. We're going to squeeze some lemon juice in it. Catch your seeds. You see that? Look at that. Holy bad juice that come out of it. Alright, put that one side. A lot of people doesn't use this at home. Fresh mint. I love my fresh mint. I'm gonna put a little piece of a fresh mint inside of it. And then ginger. I love my fresh ginger. We're gonna put some water, 1 cup of water. I might put a little bit more in it. Also a tiny little bit of honey, not too much. And a pinch of the bad boy, apple cider vinegar. Cover it. And we're going to blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. I don't need the fiber this time. It smells nice. It's the mint, you know. The mint. It's all about the mint. So we're gonna strain it off. Alright. Get rid of the fiber. We don't need the fiber. All we need is the liquid. All we need is just the liquid, guys, honestly. Gonna get the rest. This drink, all right, I'll give you a tips on it. This drink is very good to drink in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, night when you finish eat your dinner or you rest for your hour, watch some TV, get the kids them doing some stuff, then you can make this drink and drink it. All right, very, very good drink I'm giving you guys. Nice one. All right, so right here, just finish strain it. All right, and all I'm going to do is this. Look at this. You see that? This is a very healthy drink. It's amazing. Just cucumber, celery, ginger, lemon, apple cider vinegar and some water, and also a little bit of honey and the mint. All of these ingredients mixed together give it this nice lovely flavor. I'm telling you, please give this a try at home, guys. It is amazing to drink this at home. If you're a person who want to detox your body and all these things, this is a very good drink for you. So please enjoy it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus me. Please leave your comments in the description box, and this is a very good healthy drink for me and you and the fans. We love you all, and see you next time. Bye bye.